Okay, so continuing on, any financial planner will tell you that you should be setting aside at least 15% of your salary into your retirement account, and that would include any percentage that your employer is putting in for you. So let's take a look at Liam. He's 40 years old and he makes $48,000 a year. So, how much money does he need to set aside every year to meet that recommendation? So, we want to find 15%. So 15% of, again, times is what of generally means, the $48,000 he's making a year. And so he needs to set $7,200 aside every year. Now, let's say he's going to do that every quarter. He's not just going to put down 7,200 at one time, but instead he's going to split that up into 4 equal payments. And so if you do that, 7,200 divided by 4 means he's going to be saving $1,800 every quarter. So again, when it comes to which formula it is that you should be using, he's going to be putting money aside on a regular basis, on a quarterly basis, and that's what tells you that we should be using the savings annuity formula. So after doing they give you like a little test, actually, if you work with a financial advisor, about how much risk you are willing to assume. And so Liam here can take moderate risks, and so he can average about 6% interest, and he thinks that would be just fine. And so he's going to retire at 65, and he's just going to keep putting in that $1,800. Even if his salary goes up, he thinks he'll be fine. He's just going to put in $1,800 every quarter. So again, we're trying to find out the total amount he will have in his 401k when he retires at age 65. His regular deposit amount is that $1,800. Then we've got our 1 plus our interest rate, so we're going to assume 6% interest. He's putting money in quarterly 4 times a year, and our exponent will be 4 times the number of years he's going to be making these deposits. Well, he's 40 now. He's going to retire at 65, so that's 25 years worth of deposits. Then our minus 1 and divided by our interest rate over our number of deposits a year. And again, it will not hurt at all to just stick some parentheses around that denominator to make sure you include those in your calculator. So again, no assuming you're going to do this right. At the end of 25 years, Liam should have $411,845.48 in his account. Now, as for how much of that is interest, again, we're going to think about how much money he has in his account. That's that $411,845.48. And we're going to subtract out what he actually put in. So he invested $1,800 4 times a year for 25 years. That means that of that $411,000 plus dollars in his retirement account, $231,845.48 of that is the interest that he earned.